How to fix scanner not working on Windows 10. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the scanner not working on your Windows 10. So first thing, simply open up your command prompt, or you can just type in or search the combination of your keyboard with Windows plus R, and just search in for the following, that is services.msc. Make sure your spelling are correct, so just tap on OK over here and wait for some time, and this interface will pop up over here, and you just have to scroll all the way down until you see this option called Windows Image Acquisition. So once you're inside here, just click on it or enter it and make sure it's set up on automatic if it's on manual. And if it's not running, currently my service status is running, so I can't be able to click on start. So if it's not running for you, just make sure you click on start and make sure you click on apply and hit the OK button over here. And that is it guys, that is exactly how you can easily fix your scanner not working issue on your Windows 10. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.